Buongiorno. So we're gonna get ready for a day in Rome. We're going to the Colosseum today, and I'm wearing my cute little linen dress from Aritzia. I had this already in white, and I just got it in navy, and I'm obsessed. I'm gonna start by gluing my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and prime using my Caliray blurring primer. And it's so hot here in Rome, so I'm gonna be using my Ilia skin tint. It's so skin-like, I love it. For concealer, I'm gonna be using my Tarte full coverage concealer. Okay, we had a little bit of a change of scenery, but I am just kind of blending this foundation and concealer in. Now that I have that foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Charlotte Tilbury powder, and I absolutely love this stuff. It's so good. And just pressing this. And I did a little bit of eyeshadow primer using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use my YSL bronzer today, and we're just gonna be bronzing up and sculpting my cheeks. I like bringing this to my jawline, my forehead, my nose. I like to grab my sponge and just kind of re-blend those areas around the bronzer. Now I'm gonna take my Hourglass Ambient Light palette, and we're gonna be taking 2 of these shades for blush. Take 2 of these. I'm gonna grab this light powder. We're gonna go ahead and sculpt right underneath and the sides of our nose and our cheekbone. I'm gonna grab some highlight and just highlight my nose. I'm gonna take my Makeup and Mario little Ethereal Eyes palette, taking this shade and this shade, just blending that into the crease and into my nose just to kind of sculpt this area. I did laminate my brows, so I'm just gonna take just a tiny bit of brow gel just to kind of coat and add a little bit of color. And I'm just gonna grab my little pencil from Benefit, and I'm going to shape my brows around the lamination just because my eyebrows are not really that even. The lips, I'm going to be taking my favorite Makeup and Mario lip liner in Travis. I love that it has a lip brush, so you can just blend it in really nicely. Lastly, I'm taking my tinted lip oil from Rare Beauty in the shade Delight. I absolutely love it. It's a perfect pink, and it's so hydrating. And just like that, we're all ready to go to the Colosseum. Right? Colosseum. Alright, so we're off. This is the final look, and I'm wearing my little Steve Madden shoes, my little Lulu, and